Looking to get the most out of your small boat? Even boats under 17 feet deserve the smooth ride and improved performance that trim tabs offer. The Bennett SLT6 6x8 trim tabs are designed specifically for smaller boats, delivering quick installation and reliable results without the hassle of hydraulics. Just mount the two actuators and tabs on your transom, and you're set for a ride that feels more controlled and comfortable. No complicated setup required. What makes the SLT6 stand out is how it reacts instantly to your boat's speed and water pressure. When you're cruising slowly and trying to get on plane, the actuators keep the tabs down to lift the stern and help your boat reach the ideal planing angle faster. As your speed picks up, water pressure naturally pushes the tabs up, smoothing out your ride by reducing drag and stabilizing your boat. This automatic adjustment means you don't have to fiddle with controls while you focus on enjoying the water. I've seen firsthand how this simple addition can transform a boat's performance. One user with a 19-foot C Pro center console and a 150 horsepower Suzuki engine reported that installing the SLT6 was the best $100 upgrade they've made. They noticed quicker planing and better handling at slower speeds, making every trip more enjoyable and efficient. The high-quality build and easy installation, especially when paired with 3M 5200 adhesive, mean you get lasting value without a complicated process. If you're ready to enhance your small boat's ride, the Bennett SLT6 trim tabs are worth a look. They offer an affordable, no-fuss solution that works exactly as promised. Whether you're aiming for smoother cruising or better fuel efficiency, these trim tabs give you what you need without extra gear or guesswork. Try them when you're ready and feel the difference on your next outing.